Welcome to CAD with Mr. Yu, your CAD resource. In today's video, we're looking at part 2 of the 2 videos covering the topic how to draw a title block. We'll be starting the video now. Firm, and we can type CAD Builders Incorporated. All right. Then we're going to enter the date. So we can press enter to get back our last command. The starting point will be 2 millimeters there. We click here and the height will be 6. Press enter. We can write the date. Can put May 1, comma 2024. Then we can also put, for example, scale. So if you want to write the word scale, so we press enter to get back the last command. Starting position right here. Enter, enter. Can write scale. Write 1. All right. Then we can put any other information that we want. So we can write we can type maybe the title. So starting position there, because we have a snapper set at 2 millimeters. Can start there, so we can write topic. The height would be 6 millimeters, 0 rotational angle, so we can type a topic. Maybe it's floor plan, for example, and any other information that we would need. Okay. All right. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna turn off the construction layer. So we're gonna lock it, and then we turn it off. And then now here is our neat title block. All right. Okay. So this is our neat title block, right? You could further subdivide any of these parts if you want. So I could probably, for example, go to my outline layer, could draw another line just here, here. The snap would pick the 2 millimeter snap would pick it up and just come down. And we can probably put page numbers. So let me do that. Take single line text. Start in position. 6 millimeters rotational angle. So I could probably write good for perhaps write page if you need a page 1, for example. So any other information that you need, you could enter it in the title block, right? So you could further subdivide the spaces on the title block if you wanted to. All right. So having completed the title block now, or the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna save the title block as one entity so that when we import it, the title block as one entity. Now you could have saved the title block without the information which I typed in. It's up to you. All right. If you wanted to save like a blank sheet. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make it as a block. We're gonna create a block. So we go to create. Click say there it says create a block. from selected object. So we're gonna click on it. Then we're gonna give it a name. So we're gonna call it title block. All right. Then we're gonna press OK. And now you have to select the object. All right. So we're gonna select the object. Gonna select everything like this. Good. Then we're going to press enter once you have selected the the objects that want to be saved as a block. Then we're going to select the base point. So if this box is not checked, you would check it to specify that you're going to click on screen to select the base point. All right, so you're going to press OK. Okay, what happened? I have a title block saved as title block. So what I'd have to do now, I would have to change the word title block here. So I could call it title block 2, or so I'm gonna call it title block with border for ease of reference with border. Enter. So what we need to know is, see, reading the command line, I said insert base point. We're gonna choose here as our base point. So that means this would be the reference point. So we click on it, and that is our saved block. All right. So if I was to make this smaller, come up here now and go insert the title block with border. There it is. We come here and see the point that I picked up. See, that is a reference point. So if we click here, this would be the block that I imported. So I save it as a block. Now, as I told you before, this will be one entity. This will be one unit. So if you want to come and modify it, right? What you would have to do is explode it. So suppose you want to change the date, right? So we'd have to go explode, enter, right? So if you click on it now, see it's now different components. So you can go here now and actually double click in here and change the date. So we're going to change it from May 1 to May 31, 31. And there, and what happened now, you'd have to move over the page. So we'd have to go move, click the page, click the line that separates and press enter. Then you select the end of the line as the reference point, and you click on it. All right, we need to move it down. So we're going to move this point, that enter. We're going to select the end. What we have to do is turn off the snap. All right? No, not the snap. We have to turn off the object snap. So we're going to turn on the snap so that it can snap at 1 millimeter, 2 millimeters. And then, all right, so we'll have to turn off the snap. Oh, we need to turn off ortho. Turn on the snap. Right. So the snap will be on. His ortho needs to be turned off. There it is. Right. So this is how you would create your title block and save it as a block. So this brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at how to create a title block and how to save it as one entity as a block, and also how to insert the block and how to modify the title block. So thanks for watching, and in the next video we will be looking at either engineering drawing or building drawing. So take care until we meet again. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we finalize the drawing for the title block. We save the title block as a block, and I also showed you how to modify the title block, having saved it as a template. In the next drawing, we'll be looking at the involute of a circle and also its tangent and normal. So we're looking forward to seeing you in those sets of videos. Please take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.